It's the carousel right here on the boardwalk. We're in the carousel today. Walking in the carousel, see what's going on. And this is the carousel. Where you go? Now we're going to do something else. Have some fun today. It's right here. We're in flashbacks today. Walking around, not too much going on here. Just walk around in flashbacks, see what's going on here. They're hovercrafts. What? These are hovercrafts. These are hoverboards. They're hoverboards.
Okay. Stop squawking. Come on. Did you get it? You're going to get them all, huh? Hey, bud, do you want one?
Yes, it's Feed the Crazy Seagull Day here in Seaside Heights, and we're feeding these crazy-looking seagulls. They'll take a finger if you're not careful. And they'll eat at just about anything, but I guess their favorite is pizza crust. Right now, I'm in Seaside Heights. See? I'm in Seaside Heights right now.
Right now, you're in the Heights, I'm in the park.
And now I'm in the park. Now we're both in the park. Now let's go home.